Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see your reviews on the Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you connect your to your Airbnb account, all you need to do either to go to modify the URL and go for users and then reviews, and here it will take you to the page of the reviews, and here you can find the reviews about you and the reviews by you, and basically here you will find the list of all the reviews that you have done. Otherwise you can just go to your profile and go down here and then click on edit profile, and then you go back and then you will find the reviews here, and basically you are need just to click on it and it will take you to the reviews, and you will find the list of all the reviews that you have done. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.